So you might be in this really random situation where for some reason within your Beats headphones, one particular side isn't working. So one side of your Beats headphones aren't working at all. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The first thing we would recommend doing is to go through and just take these things off of your head, give it a few seconds, and then put these things right back on your head, literally like right after. That is something that could be very easily well done, and that is something that we would probably recommend doing here too. So go through, try just taking them off your head, putting them back on, and that could be another thing we'd recommend doing. If that's still not working, what you can also try doing is to go through and repair these devices to your iPhone or Android, whatever you have. So on your iPhone, Android settings, disconnect these, go ahead and kind of just unpair these things completely. Once again, give it a few moments, and you want to try repairing these things once again. And like I said before, chances are that is another very easy, good thing you can do. And that's another really important thing I'd recommend kind of looking at as well. If that's still not working, the next thing I'd recommend doing here is to go through and basically check your balance settings. So if you have an iPhone, go to your accessibility settings and check under balance under audiovisual. If you have a Mac, same thing, go to system settings, go to sound output, and check the balance slider under there. Once again, chances are that's another easy way to kind of go ahead and fix and address this problem too. And if you actually have a wired connection, you might just want to go through, unplug these headphones and plug them back in. Sometimes if they're like semi-connected, that can cause some problems. So you might just want to go ahead and double check that as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.